Good evening, guys. The class for today is based on the previous lesson plan. So the topic is the atom. First of all, guys, what is an atom? Well, an atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. Atoms, guys, are extremely small, so basically the basic unit of chemical elements. So now we are gonna look three different models of atoms. Well, this is the Rutherford model of atom. It's the most common model. And in the other hand, this is the Born-Schönfeld model. It's one of the most common models. But in the other way, we have the wave chemical model. This mathematical model of atom describes the energy of electrons with some certain, but the actual location of the electron is uncertain, guys. So we're gonna continue. Well, now we're gonna look a little video about this. So now I hope the materials that I I told you in the previous class, because now we are gonna do a little activity. So this activity consists that you are gonna create an atomic model with these materials that I hope you had today. So we had a lot of time for do this, and I hope you're doing well, guys. the time is already finished, so we are gonna continue with the class now. First, we have the atomic nucleus and elementary particles. Well, the nucleus of an atom consists of neutrons and protons, which in turn are the manifestations of more elementary particles called quarks. Well, and you say, what is a quark, teacher? Well, a quark is one of the fundamental particles in the physics. They join into four hadrons such as protons and neutrons, which are components of the nucleus of atoms. The study of quarks and the interactions between them through the strong force is called particle physics. Well, the antiparticle of an quark is the anti-quark. So we're gonna continue. Now guys, this is a little quiz. So we are going to put in practice that we actually learned today in this class. So as you can see, it consists to match the correct information. So, well, as you can see, this is a negative. So what is the negative parts of an atom? It's the electron charge. So we are gonna look for electron charge here. So electron charge. So we match. So as you can see, we are gonna match the correct information. So we have a lot of time for this activity, and I hope you are doing well. Well guys, the time is already finished. So we are gonna do another activity. Well, the students will get into a group of four to discuss their notes, the structure and properties of atoms, and you're gonna make some presentations. But we don't have a lot of time, so this is gonna be your homework, and you're gonna present with your group in the next class. So I hope you're doing well, and take a shower, guys.